Spaghetti Aglio E Olio pasta has been breaking the internet for quite some time now. If you wish to give it a shot, then this recipe is just for you. You are gonna need spaghetti pasta, garlic, red chili flakes, parsley, Parmesan cheese, salt, black pepper and olive oil. Start by adding water in a pot and boil it. Sprinkle some salt in the pot. Then add spaghetti pasta to cook al dente. Strain the spaghetti and save from the pasta water to further use. Take a pan, add olive oil, crushed garlic and saute it. Then sprinkle some chili flakes, parsley and let this cook. Now you can add the pasta water. Let this cook till you emulsify the pasta sauce. To this sauce, add cooked spaghetti, Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper and toss it well. Your spaghetti aglio e olio is ready to serve.